hit it.
There's pressure now.
Why? Why are you filming?
Okay, I'm not filming anymore.
Yay!
That went so far.
Yep.
Oh, come on.
Oh, baby.
There you go.
Get that, JC.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
So tired already?
Yay!
Our curing's not working, is it?
Oh.
JC, you could do what Adam Sandler does.
What?
Do what Adam Sandler does. Have you watched that movie, Happy Gilmore?
No, what did you do?
He stands in front of it and he gets hit by the boss.
Oh.
Do you know that movie?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's like, oh.
Oh, it's easier now. One-handed. And one baseball.
Oh my god! Will you be careful? It like smacks you.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
You're gonna hurt your wrist.
I know.
Damn it. You done?
You're wasting balls.
Fine.
Fine.
Shut up. Why are you pushing so high, huh?
Oh my god.
Yay!
That's a foul.
I know.
At least he hit it.
Oh.
What? You see that?
It's over.
There we go. Weird.
Yeah.
Back at you, baby.
Home run.